In this video, we'll be showing you how you can add sponsors or advertisers that you're going to take payment through your website for. You must be registered on our premium plan to be able to utilise this feature. If you are not, please see the link in the description below to learn more. First, log in as an administrator. From your main navigation, head to Admin, Product Groups, then click on the Add Product Group button. We have created one already for us to run through. In the modal window, add a name, select a type from the drop-down list, and then select an organiser. And enter the start and end date and times that you would like the product group to be available to purchase. We suggest entering an end date far into the future so the associated product types remain available to purchase in your shop. Then set the fee types and click on the Add Product Group button. You can then use the newly available product group to add primary or secondary advertising and business directory entries for sale via your website. To do this, select Product from the Product Management menu. Then select Add Product from the Manage drop-down list. We have already created some examples that we can run through now. Enter a name and a SKU, or this will be created for you. Then select the relevant type from the drop-down list. There's Business Directory, Primary Advertising and Secondary Advertising. The start date will automatically be picked up from the moment of purchase, and the advertisement will expire after 1 year for primary, secondary and business directory listings, so you do not need to add those here. You can set your own prices for advertising, which enables you to raise funds far in excess of the annual premium charge. We would recommend charging a minimum of £300 for primary advertising per year, £150 for secondary advertising and £50 per annum for a business directory listing. Enter the stock quantity to your maximum. We suggest 8 for primary and secondary advertising, but a higher number for a business directory listing. Then click the Add Product button. Your customers can then find these products in your shop under Uniform and Merchandise. Upon successful checkout, all the information for the business will be captured. This will include logos, images, contact details, and will be auto-populated on the sponsorship page and business directory page. And that's it. You can now successfully add sponsors or advertisers that you're going to take payment through your website for. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.